Today I'm going to talk about how I achieve vibrant colors in my paintings. Hello everyone, my name is Mike Svob and welcome to my channel. I've been an artist and a teacher for over 30 years and I've decided to start this channel to help you become a better artist. Now if you stay with us, I will answer your questions on a weekly basis about how to become that better artist. Now, to get vibrant colors, you have to make sure several things happen in your painting. One of them is value, so you have to have a full range of value from very light to very dark. Now, it doesn't mean any amount of dark or any amount of light, it just means the full range because your eyes automatically adjust to whatever values that you have in your painting. So if your values are all narrow, they're all in the middle, your eyes and brain will adjust, your paintings will look flat. Now, if you see a vibrant painting beside a flat painting, you will notice right away the vibrant one has higher range of value. All right, so value is one issue. The other thing that happens in painting is color. So if you take the paint you get and you squeeze it out of the tube, something like cad red or ultramarine blue or whatever color you choose, basically that color is as vibrant as it's going to get. And most of what you do as an artist is you're going to make that color duller or muddier. So if you have paints on your painting that are vibrant, high key color, and then some which are duller or muddier, you're going to have a range of color. So from vibrant to mud. Now the last thing that matters is the idea of cool or warm. And in any painting that I do, I tend to dominate warm and I add a little bit of cool color to play off that. But sometimes I go away from that, but in general, I want a full range. So I've got a full range of value, I've got a full range of mud to brilliant color, and then I've got warm to cool. That's warm or cool would be any two colors. They play off each other. So those things, if you do them, will give your paintings a vibrancy that will attract people. That's the way it works. Vibrant is attractive. I hope you found this information useful. Now, I have a handout called How to Fix Your Painting, and you can get it by clicking on the link below. Thank you for watching.